Hello, my amazing first graders. I am so excited to start online learning with you. We are going to be using Schoology each day to get access to all of your assignments. Right now in this video, I'm going to show you how we will use it so that you know exactly what to do each and every day. I'm so excited to get started. Log into Schoology using your email and the password 12345. The first thing you're going to click on is Courses. You'll see all your courses come up. We are only going to use the homeroom course. That means we will not be using any of these other courses down here. We are only clicking on homeroom, and you can remember it because it has the hot air balloon, the Settlers Way hot air balloon. So start by clicking on homeroom, and here you'll see our home page. So this is where you'll start every day, is the Welcome to Online Learning. When you click on this, you'll see a date with directions. Now you click on this video. First class to our first test run and Miss McKeever is going to come on and show you exactly what you are to do each day. So again, every time you come into Fort Bend, or every time you log into Schoology, you click Courses, Homeroom, Welcome to Online Learning. And then you'll see what to do each day because I'll have a video telling you what to do. I'm so excited to get started with you, and if you have any questions, tell your parents just to email me, or we can Zoom chat as well. Thanks, y'all. Can't wait to get started. Bye!